Welcome back, Daily Fam. We on part 2 of opening the 151 EBT. First video was 151 versus Chilling Rain. That one right there, if you checked it out. If you didn't, make sure you go check it out. It should be the video right before this one. But if not, and you haven't seen it before, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, like, put your notification bell on. Because we do have one more battle after this. And then after that, we'll see where we go next. But we're going to hop straight into it. 151 versus Fusion Strike, 3 packs of each. See which one comes out on top of this pack battle. As we start off with a 151, we're going for that full illustration art Blastoise. Still, I didn't get it last video, but you might want to check out the last video, see what I got if you haven't seen that one. Alright, and we are going for that Gengar full alternate art VMAX. Alright, seal, duo, tentacle, power, Johto, okay, Clefairy, Weezy, into a hollow Aerodactyl, okay. Pack of Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike has been a little rough for me lately. I still got a couple things to pull forward. Okay. It doesn't have a training gallery. Okay, let's move that to the side over there. Into our second pack of 151. I'd love to pull another full illustration special rare Charizard if I could. I want to get as many of those as possible I can. This Clefairy. Just gonna knock Daisy's help. Cool. Into a hollow Mewtwo. Okay. Straighten a little stuff out right here. Get it a little straight. Got stuff off to the side here. Let's get into our second pack of Fusion Strike. Hopefully we can get something here. Something worth sleeving. That's the motto, huh? Let's see here. Don't look like it's gonna come out of this one. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Lily here. Lily. So, Velvex. So, no hollow Marcus. Alright. Hits have been rough in this video. 151 last pack. See if we get that last pack look out of 151. All it takes is one card, as y'all know. All it takes is one. One good pack. One to the front here. Frank Energy. Arrow. Rhyhorn. Magikarp. Mankey. Bill's Transfer, leftovers, into, I told you, a beautiful special rare Squirtle into a Machamp. Beautiful Squirtle there. It's a beautiful Squirtle. Let's get him in a sleeve. Gonna put him in one of these gold sleeves for now. Show that background off. Beautiful Squirtle there. Beautiful card. All right. Future Strike got his work made for him. There you go. Nice illustration, rare Squirtle. Think I needed that one. I'm sure as we get a nice, cute card also. See if Fusion could put something that could beat that Squirtle. Let's see that Gengar. To the reverse into the Hopper V silver border. Beautiful card. Not the one we're looking for, but beautiful card. Got another illustration rare. So y'all gonna have to let me know what y'all think won in this battle, as we got two beautiful cards here in the Squirtle and the Hopper V. Very nice. That's awesome. I told you that's why you gotta make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you have your notification bells on, because you never know. You just never know what can happen in these pack battles, man. I love it. Love seeing y'all around. Till next time, and as always, peace, Daily Fam.